Computer numerical control, or CNC, machining is a computerized manufacturing process where pre-programmed software and code controls the movement of production equipment. CNC machines can consist of mills, routers, lathes, plasma or laser cutters, and pick-and-place machines. In this episode of Radwell's How It Works series, we're going to explore how a CNC milling machine works. First, let's review the main components of a CNC milling machine. These machines consist of three main parts: the computer, which controls the movement of the machine bed, where the workpiece is securely held, and the cutting tool, which spins rapidly. Now that we've reviewed the main components of a CNC milling machine, let's talk about how it works. First, a 2D or 3D CAD drawing is conceived. The CAD drawing is then translated into computer code for the CNC system to execute using CAM software. This code controls the motion of the tool, the workpiece, and tool changes. Next, the machine is prepared for operation by affixing the workpiece and required tooling. Finally, the operator runs the program and the product is produced by the machine. CNC machining is suitable for a wide variety of industries, including automotive, aerospace, construction, and agriculture. Computerized automation allows parts to be made more quickly, more accurately, precisely, and with more complex geometries than those produced via manual machining. If you like this information on CNC milling machines, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on industrial products and processes. Also, be sure to check out our other videos on CNC machines. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching!